At CES 2025, Samsung showcased an innovative soundbar and also showcased a redesigned version of a soundbar that we all know and love. How's it going, everybody? It's KG from SamMobile. First, let's start off with the flagship soundbar model, the Q990F. This is going to be the successor to the Q990D. The biggest change to the Q990F is going to be the new dual active subwoofer design. And this design is going to come with a new redesigned form factor. They're saying that it's 50% less than the previous model. And this is something where I did see this up close and personal myself, and it looked like a little cube compared to the old subwoofer. Now, from what I heard, the sound didn't seem to be impacted by a lesser subwoofer, but it's something that I'll definitely have to test side by side to really gauge on if there was really any big changes there. Now, I personally loved the 990D last year, and I thought that it was the best soundbar that you could buy for the money. There was no doubt about it, the 990D was the choice for me. From what I heard from the 990F at CES, it didn't sound like it disappointed in the bass department. It really seems like they managed to shrink the soundbar, but still they kept the same exact sound profile, and Samsung claims that the design is also going to improve resonance, so that's something that could also be seen as a plus. The 990F is going to have AI driven sound features like the dynamic bass control, as well as the active voice amplifier pro, which is going to analyze the sound and reduce the background noise within the signal and bring out the dialogue a little bit better so you can hear it if you're having any trouble hearing the dialogue. Personally, I don't think that you'll be disappointed with the Q990F, as the redesign doesn't seem to impact the sound at all, and this is going to be one you'll definitely want to target in 2025. Now let's talk about the next soundbar that they showcased, and this is going to be the QS700F. This is an innovative soundbar that Samsung is calling a convertible soundbar, which means you could have it either horizontal or you can have it vertical. So if you want to wall mount it, it's going to sound just as good as if you put it on a tabletop. One of the reasons for this is because it has a gyro sensor built into the soundbar that can detect the orientation of where you are placing the soundbar. Samsung emphasized that they created this experience so that you could have a good sound system when you are mounting your TV and have a nice design to go along with it. I heard it at CES and I thought it sounded pretty good for being a small form factor soundbar. Now we expect more soundbar models to come in the near future, but Samsung just hasn't announced them yet, probably closer to release date. Now, one of the reasons why people buy Samsung soundbars is because of Q Symphony. It goes hand in hand with the Samsung TV, and if you want to check out the latest Samsung TVs, we checked them out at CES 2025, and you can see that coverage right here. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Samsung content. Thank you guys so much for watching, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.